Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Unique journey and triumph. Intuition comes from within, not from an outside source. Seek within, and you'll find all the answers you're looking for from the infinite intelligence. Who would know best other than the one who created you, lives in you, and is in every particle in the universe? Your uniqueness defines who you are, what comes next, and your ultimate potential. And your inner guidance is destined for your unique journey and triumph. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. I believe that intuition comes within also. I believe what you really desire deep down inside, that love of something that you really love doing, I believe that's your intuition telling you to go do that. That's why I've always said follow love. Because when you dig deep down inside and find what you really love doing, I believe that's God inside of you. That's the infinite intelligence, the universe, whatever you want to call that. And we're all one. And when your love comes out like that, I believe that's your intuition. And I believe that's what you're destined to do, whatever that is. I believe that with my heart and soul. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.